masarap na snacks. Baka ito. Ang tamis. Hard. Sweet and crunchy. Ito na lang. Blackberry, raspberry. Or lime. Ito na lang, lime. Hello. Could you include 2 packs of ice, please? Dalawa na yan?
Hindi, isa pa yun.
Asa isa?
Doon sa taas.
Pag may nadaanan kaming gas station, switch na kami. Para siya naman, nakatulog na niya. Okay, meron ditong parang mini humble na gas station. Pero, sarado. Pero, yoho. Yoho! Palit na kami para siya naman matulog. Para fair. 4 hours, 35 pa. Okay, let's go.
Sabi mo naman mo kaya.
Mapikit ka na nga eh. Fit check. Leggings. Hala, ang pangit mag-fit check. Jacket, Columbia. Pero, may damit kasi ako sa loob. Pero manipis ang lamig kanina. Fairness, maayos yung CR nila dito. Tapos tingnan niya, ang cute. Meron pa silang nilagang itlog. Napaka classic stopover area. Pero ayan. Pero syempre, nagbaon ako ng adobo. Hello! Almost 4 hours pa, pero ito na ang napili kong snack while driving. Time check. 7:45. We're here at Revelstoke.
Anong ano?
Yung kutsara. Adobo break muna na nag-7 na. 7 yarn.
May dalang plato, may dalang ka lang?
Wala lang.
Red.
Ito na ang kanin at ulam. Park muna tayo. Kapit tayo mamaya after.
Oh.
May itlog dito. A driver. Ikaw na mag-drive ng 2 hours.
Yes? Bakit parang may galit?
Hindi
Ako lang sa Lex 2.
Meron ako nasa stand na ako sa road. Yung parang nagkakatitigan na kami ng road.
Oh. Papagod ka or nantok?
Antok. Shoutout kay Yun. Saan niya ito galing?
Hello yung ano? Bumakas.
Nakita kasi kami. Nag-picture sila. Ang cute naman ito. Asa na ba tayo? Basta may nakita lang kami dito kasi may nakastop tapos may nag-picture. Tapos ang cute. Di man to alpaca. Ship man ito. Oo. Welcome to Kelowna. Kararating lang namin. It's 10:30 British Columbia time. Sa Calgary, I think it's 11:30 na. Check natin kung pwede tayo mag-early check-in. Because we're tired. So, kakagaling lang namin dun sa Park-In hotel. Kaso hindi daw sila mag-allow ng early check-in kasi they're fully booked. So, it's mag-11. 10 minutes to 11. Mga 2 PM pa daw sila magpapa-check-in. So, we're going to Okanagan Lake right now. Crocs pa more at socks. May ipon na yata. Try namin pumunta doon. Sa private oh shoot.
Private property.
So kagagaling lang namin doon sa Okanagan. Malawak siya. Tapos nakita ko sa maps, nasaan doon kami sa dulo. Tapos makikita mo from where we're at yung downtown ng Kelowna. May sinearch akong bakit ganun yung shape, mukhang mataba yung Sandrine French pastry and chocolate. Mukhang masarap. Sandrine pastry shop. What's the best flavor among all? Yes. Personal favorite.
I love the hazelnut and then the Earl Grey.
Can I do like per piece?
Yeah.
I would get that one. The one you said. One hazelnut, one Earl Grey. May savory din sila. Parang ano ba to? Puff pastry, something with cream, lemon meringue, and hindi ko pa alam paano basahin ito. Ito siya yung number 3. Well, yung ml, mile. Ewan ko, paano basahin? So these are the stuff that we got from Sandrine. Aroy, gumalaw. Lobat. Sabi ni ate, sabi ko, what's your personal favorite?
Which one is
to? Earl Grey at hazelnut. Okay, we have lemon meringue pie, mile something, and then cream puff emelatic. Ganun. Hindi mo sige, ikaw magbasa.
You need to know the names. You need to know the
Saan ba?
names. You practice the French.
Oh, macaron.
Can I see?
Check. Lemon meringue, check. Choux. Choux lang pala siya. Choux. And then, sige, mile.
Millefuel.
Ako mo nakakagat kasi hindi ko muna siya describe.
Okay.
Earl Grey. You know Earl Grey, right?
Yes.
What is it? The tea.
Tea.
Okay.
It's the tea. Is it hard? Okay.
Alam mo ba yung London Fog?
London Fog?
Yung drink, right?
Drink, yeah.
Tastes like that. But, yeah. Make it a pastry. Well, basically Earl Grey. Ito daw, hazelnut. Ang dapat ko ay Nutella, ganun. So, hot.
How does it taste like?
Hindi ko nga i-describe. I like the Earl Grey better because it's sweeter. Ikaw gusto mo to kasi hindi matamis.
Yes, you're correct.
So this is what downtown Kelowna looks like. We parked here and anong tawag dito? City Park? City Park something? It's like their Prince Edward ba?
This one.
Park. Ito.
Waterboard.
T-phone. Bobo. T-parking. How do you do this?
You see?
Wala mga screen.
Yung ilaw. This.
Ayan. CN. Ayun na. Tapos mag-print siya dapat. Dito ba?
Libre mo ako.
Sus! Sabi dyan! Ano mo, pogi yung tumatakbo eh. Uy, wait! Ang ganda ng flowers! Look. Up close. Nice! Uy, tulip season na! Di ba yung tulip sa atin mahal sa Dangwa? Ito nandito lang, tingnan nyo. Nasa tabi lang. Oh, malamang! This one's bigger, oh. Diba? Like, this is my palm. Like, so nice.
Which one?
Basahin mo. Chief, ano?
Chief, Swicken Cup.
Weh.
Yeah, Swicken Cup.
Hindi nga.
Yeah, Swicken Cup.
Weh?
Yeah,
Sino
no,
siya?
I know him, personally.
Here comes the sun. Grabe ka, turista. Bili daw kami magnet. Magkano ba to? Ay, mura lang. Compare dito. Dito kano to? Mas mahal pa nga sila. Oh. Ito ka na lang.
Kano ba ito?
495 na mo to. 550.
Okay. Metal.
Ano pa siya? Malawak. I know it's a myth. You can ask.
Hmm?
But this is nice as well. Sunshine Kelowna. So we have here Kelowna map. We were here earlier. This are Sarson's Beach. And then we're here now. Waterton. This is like a 15-minute drive. So ganun tayo, gumanon? Oh. Laki pa pala dito, oh. Dito pa lang tayo.
We haven't went to
Pala to?
West. Right.
Okay, Mission Hill.
Which one would you recommend?
Depends where you want to go. There's so many. So I'll show you the different regions. So we're here currently. There is West Kelowna here. So if you follow Boucherie Road, when you're driving, and the red dots are wineries that work memberships with us. There's many more out there. So these are the ones we really work closely with. That pay into our membership program, but there's tons more along this road. So I really like, if you want quick wineries, just a hop across the lake. I love going to West Side, and you're still getting really beautiful views.
She's so nice. She gave us a map and then explained everything. Kasi parang kami, hala, saan kami pupunta dito sa Kelowna?
We're just
So
looking
ito,
at the map.
basta ang goal namin ngayon ay, ito, may mapa ako. Kasugay Garden. It's behind City Hall. Yung City Hall, ayun o.
And it's free. That's the best
Siyempre,
part.
doon tayo sa free.
That's the best part. It's free.
May koi daw doon. Ewan lang. Tingnan natin. But yeah, it's so nice of her to explain everything. Yung may mga winery. Marami pala. Like, you're never gonna run out of a winery to visit. Grabe. Amoy ano. Pinagbabawal. Sino ang gumanon? Doon naglinger eh. Welcome to Kasugay Garden. Kelowna's Japanese Garden.
Look. Oh my. They're huge.
Ano doon? Room. Ay. Wala ba siyang nilalagyan ng key? Ooh. Konting room tour lang. Kasi pagod na kami. Gusto ko na matulog. Yeah. So, ito yung hitsura ng parking. Ang dami na biglang ka.
Kaya parang bibigatin yung mga cars.
Ayan na. Sabi niya kasi worried siya. Sabi ko, may mas mahal sa'yo. Sila muna. Kung may mangyari man. Meron kasi daw spot, parang Diamond member, ganyan. Tapos may CCTV doon. Tapos sabi niya, dito, wala. Sabi ko, mauna muna sila bago ikaw. So, we had a 2-hour nap. Ano na ngayon? 6:40. Tapos ang plan dapat ay yung Little Tokyo Ramen. It's like para siyang pop-up na ramen. Na parang naka-car. Ano ba? Mali. Truck. Eh kaso close na siya in like an hour. Or like 7:30 nga eh. 6:40. So mga alanganin na. Meron kami ngayon puntahan yung ramen Arashi. Meron daw yun sa Calgary. Nagpunta ng Kelowna para kumain ng ramen. But ganda ang weather sa Kelowna. Ano ngayon? 15 degrees. Like t-shirt weather. Gano'n. Ito yung hate ko dun sa driving test eh. Parallel. Sige. Diretso. Diretso mo muna. Sige. Sige. Sige, kabig. Sige, kabig muna. Sige. Up. Forward konti. Kabig ulit. Feeling ko downtown pa rin. And this is Ramen Arashi. Yung menu nila. Chashu bowl. Pambata yata ito.
Parang ano?
Yung meat sa ramen. Tapos nilagyan ng rice. A black arashi. Itadakimasu. May spice pati mo.
Sa akin wala.
Daming peanuts sa Tama akin. Mas pang-er.
Rapin mo nga.
Kunin yung karne ha. Parang inaay mo eh. Right? Like, like, I'm a ramen. Our breakfast situation. We're almost crossing the Lake Okanagan or Okanagan Lake Bridge. Ito yung nakita namin sa map. I'll show you later. But, ito na siya. We're currently here at Quails Gate, Okanagan Valley. Yung parang tasting M&M nila starts at 11. I don't think we're gonna go that far. So this is the market. Let's go in. Different things. So we purchased this because they have like 2 varieties there. Meron silang from California, ganyan. Sabi ko, of course, Pinoy kasi Pinoy. Sabi ko, of course, ate, I'll buy kung ano yung sa inyo. So, this is Quails Gate Rosé Wine. 2023. And then we're just waiting for like 3 minutes to go inside. Dun yung parang more wine. Hi, could we just check out some of the wines? We're not doing tasting.
You're not doing tasting?
Yes.
Yeah, come on in.
Alright.
You're shopping then?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the regular estate Foch. I'll get the reserve in this one here. Just give you a swash. It's like, okay, be right back.
Pero ano siya, smooth lang siya actually. It's good.
Maasim yung aftertaste. Sabi ni ating Pinoy, doon meron yung hindi maasim yung aftertaste.
No problem. That's what we're here for. Okay, so it comes to $100.25.
So we just finished a little wine tasting unexpectedly doon sa Quails Winery. Because we just thought na, okay, bili ka lang. But then, Ate was nice. So she's like, you wanna try it? Parang, yeah, sure. So yeah, I think like visiting a winery shop at the end of your visit here in Kelowna is like a cherry on top. It's a good recommendation to do. Pero, not too much like tasting because kung magdadrive kayo ng malayo, I wouldn't recommend. But konti lang naman kanina. Or ako lang, baka ano lang, arte lang ng katawan ko. But yeah, overall, Kelowna is a good place to visit if you want like serenity, quietness, and just you wanna see like scenic views. This is a good place kung ayaw mo ng masyadong city life. Okay, kasi yung city nila doesn't really look like a city kasi ang dami pa ring puno, like wala masyadong tao. But yeah, hope you enjoyed our mini trip here in Kelowna, and you'll be seeing us again on our next trip in a couple of weeks. We're going to visit California, right? Sorry, Mali ba?
California, yes.
Yeah, so San Francisco, California, that's right.
Correct.
In a couple of weeks, we're going there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and we're looking forward to show you our next trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see notifications.
Bye.